Hello and welcome to SweetPea Tutoring. I'm your teacher, Miss Wemmy. Today we're going to learn about a new sound, the short E sound. Here's our letter E. Big letter E, small letter E. Can you see the E? It says eh. Can you see the E? It says eh. Eh, eh, eh. The letter E. All right, now let's go on to our phonics flashcards. We see the short E sound. So we have egg. Do you hear the short E sound? Egg. Our next word is red. D. Red. Now we have the cute little hen. 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 Here's a beautiful spider web. Web. Did you hear the E sound? Pen. Pen. Net. Net. Ooh, look at how fun and how beautiful. We have a picture of a bed. Bed. Jet. Jet. Now let's see if we can remember how to put all of our sounds together to make a word. Here we have egg. Egg. It has g. Egg. Red. R-E-D spells red. Hen. 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 Web. 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 Pen. 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 Net. 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 Bed. Can you say it with me? Bed. Good job. Finally, we have the word jet. 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 Thanks for watching. See you next time.